The UK is presently going through an unprecedented shortage of skills throughout manufacturing and many other sectors. Here at Jenks Cattell, we are trying to tackle this now. Now is the time to start filling these gaps to ensure that we have a stable business and we can continue with our present growth. We have asked all of our departments to supply mentors to mentor our apprentices so that we can start to pass on some of our invaluable skills and knowledge onto these young people, so that we can help to plan for the future of our company.
My name's Lisa. I work in sales for Jenks Cattell. I've worked here for about 6 years, and about a year in, I actually asked the company if I could do some training. They suggested that I did a part-time apprenticeship where we collaborated then with Wolverhampton College, and I got put forward to put a level 2 diploma in lean manufacturing. From there we learnt about things like problem solving, work environment, working relationships. I also got to choose a work centre in the factory to learn more about. I chose Robot World, so that was quite exciting for me, having not been in that sort of environment before. We did things like 5S, I learned about macro weld facilities and also weld defects. It's been great for me to bring into my day-to-day work in a commercial role, to have a greater understanding of the processes.
My name is Dan. I am a toolmaking apprentice at college. I'm currently on the toolmaking pathway. On the last year, you have specialised units which apply to you, which do the projects at work to complete. The general day, well at the moment, we have one project unit, one CAD unit, where we do 3D and 2D, and an organisational efficiency unit. I like working with smart people. The experience you get from them is really good. The stories they have, they like from working on big stuff like from JLR and other companies, and then to have that opportunity to work and learn from them is quite incredible. I was nominated for Apprentice of the Year for the Aluminium Federation through Adrian Muston, who presented it to me. Some of the characters you get and just the laughs and brilliant conversations you can have with them, whilst learning and building up your experience and growing as a person. I would like to progress into new product introduction or process engineering to advance my understanding of the whole manufacturing process.
75% of manufacturers have stated the biggest barrier to growth is skills shortages. 20% of those manufacturers have identified that 5% of their workforce will be retiring in the next 2 years. Here at Jenks Cattell, now is the time we want to start doing something about this and getting some of the experience onto young apprentices. We are looking to recruit up to 10 apprentices across all areas of the business, so that we can start to tackle some of the issues within the business and continue to grow our company.